Are you struggling earning and redeeming points for free flights and hotels? Or maybe you're just feeling overwhelmed with all of the different moving parts that you have to keep track with? Well, luckily there are tools available that will make award travel easier and less complicated for you. And today I'm going to share with you all of my favorite tools to earn, redeem, and keep track of everything award travel. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Michael. I am a nurse that wanted to travel the world with my wife, but I didn't want to spend my entire paycheck doing it, so I learned how to travel the world using credit card rewards, and now I'm here to teach you how to do the same thing. And so our first tool is Rakuten. This tool will help you earn American Express membership rewards, and these are some of my favorite to redeem for award flights specifically. And so this tool is available as an app on your phone as well as the website. Let me show you what the website looks like. So to get to the website, you simply go to Rakuten.com, and this is what the home page looks like. So the concept is very simple. All you have to do is just before making any online purchase, go to Rakuten.com, find whatever store you're looking for, or search it into the bar here. Let's say you need to buy some cat litter or some dog food, and you'd like to go to PetSmart. You can get 10% cash back. Now Rakuten, it's technically a cash back portal, but you're able to go to your account settings here, and then if you scroll down, you'll see a section where it says how you get paid, and you'll see an option for membership rewards. All you have to do is just log into your American Express account, and then it will automatically redeem your rewards as American Express membership rewards instead of cash back. One thing to know is that once you switch to Amex points and you try to switch it back to cash back, you are not able to switch it back to membership rewards again, so you only get that one back and forth. Once you switch those settings, you can essentially read this as you get 10x membership rewards per dollar spent at PetSmart. So let's say you just want to shop here, you click on this button, it'll tell you it's activating the offer, and then it'll just take you right to PetSmart.com. You can log in, earn rewards on PetSmart. You can even check out with the Chase Freedom Flex, which in this quarter of 2024 is going to earn 5x back on pet stores. So you can double dip your rewards, earn 5x Chase points, as well as 10x Amex points, all by doing this. And you can even pick up in store, so you don't have to do a true online order, and you'll still get those points credited to you as long as you do it through Rakuten. Bonus tip here is to make sure you download the browser extension and activate it, so that way whenever you just kind of forget, but you're online doing some online shopping, you'll get a notification saying like, hey, make sure to activate Rakuten, so that way you make sure you're not missing out on any reward. And then of course another way of earning Rakuten points and membership reward points is by referring others to Rakuten. And speaking of which, if you use my referral link down in the description, if you haven't yet signed up for Rakuten, you'll get 3,000 points, and I'll also get 3,000 points if you use that link below. So it's a great way of supporting the channel at no cost to you, and I really appreciate it if you do. So thank you in advance, and now we'll move on to our second tool to help kind of earn points, and that's with cashbackmonitor.com. So sometimes I don't want to earn membership rewards, and I want to see what other options are out there, whether it be American Airlines, Chase points, or whatever other shopping portal, even if I want to do cash back. That's where Cashback Monitor comes into play. Let's still use PetSmart as an example. You simply type in PetSmart in the search bar here, and it'll pull up all of the different shopping portals that you can use in order to earn cash back or miles and points, and give you all of the different rates to comparison shop. As you can see, that 10 points per dollar here, and then you've got the Chase Ultimate Rewards shopping portal. Notice that the prices are different based on what card you have. And then you've got American Airlines and some other airline shopping portals as well. As another example, like for HelloFresh, you can earn either 30 points per dollar or a lump sum of 1,300 points with Chase or 1,000 points on American Airlines. So I just like to run whatever online shop I'm using through Cashback Monitor to make sure I'm not missing out on anything. So those are the main two tools that I use to help me earn extra points and miles on shopping portals. And of course, the best way to earn more points and miles is by applying for different credit cards and getting sign-up bonuses. So if you want something that'll help notify you when the best sign-up bonuses are out and which ones are out there currently, be sure to sign up for my newsletter, where every week I'll send you all the best points and miles deals, but also the best credit card sign-up bonuses that are out right now, including links when I have them directly to your inbox, and that's just every Friday, no spam in between or anything like that. And so I'll have that link. In addition, I'll have all the other links that we talk about within this video here in the description and in the pinned comments, so be sure to check that out. So now let's move on to tools that'll help you track your cards, your points and miles, and all the other miscellaneous aspects of this hobby. This first tool is Travel Freely, and it's completely free to use. And so I'll have a referral link down in the description. So you'll just sign up, and then you will need to insert all of your credit card information, not the numbers or anything like that, just the credit cards you have and when you signed up for them. I'm going to show you what the dashboard looks like, but just know that they also have an app that I really like to use. I hardly ever use the desktop version, but let me show you what it looks like anyways. And so here's my dashboard. Like I said, it looks different in the app, but it keeps track of all the same information. It'll be just positioned application differently. And so what I love about Travel Freely is that you don't need to log into any of your credit card information, and it seamlessly tracks everything, including when your annual fees are due. So I have no annual fees coming up within the next 45 or 30 days, thank goodness. And then it tells you when you're ready for your next card. So once 90 days have passed since your last credit card application, and both Maddie and I are both ready for new credit cards, we were just trying to figure out the timing and which credit cards to get right now. It has a lot of other cool, neat information and what cards you have active. But if you go into My Cards, it will also show you your 524 count. Now, I reliably use Travel Freely in order to help me keep track of this because it is easy to forget, as well as how long it's been since my last card application. I think these two numbers, in addition to the annual fees and when those are upcoming, are the big reasons why I love this tool, and I recommend everyone to use it. Now, this next tool, in my opinion, is kind of a nice to have versus a need to have, but still. So here's the function of it. You know those chase offers where you have to go through and click within the app or on the website, and you might get a few dollars off or a certain percentage off from certain merchants like Jack in the Box or hotel or airline or anything like that. And same with the Amex offers where you can get extra bonus points sometimes, like on Amazon, or different cash back. But let's be real, you and I, we don't really look at those offers all that much, except for we're feeling particularly spunky. However, this next tool, Card Pointers, one of their premium features, so it's the Card Pointers Plus, they'll automatically add those offers for you with a single click. And so like I said, it is kind of a nice to have feature and something whenever you want to invest some money in, because they do have an annual or monthly payment option, but also they have a lifetime option. And so if you are able to make that small investment and get the lifetime subscription, I think that would be the best value. Now, this next tracking tool, I honestly don't actually use it that much. It's kind of one of those things where I signed up for it because I wanted to try it out, and that was kind of one of those set and forget type things. But I did want to share it with you because I feel like you may have this desire within a tool, and there's not many other tools that do this as well as this one. So let me go ahead and show you what that is. So the tool is awardwallet.com. It's mostly a free tool. I think they do have some premium features, but nothing that's really required or that's that incentivizing. You could check that out after you sign up. But its main function is that it helps keep track of all of your different loyalty points, your airline points, credit card points, everything points. It'll keep track of your balance. It'll send you email notifications or reminders as far as when you have a drop or increase in balance. It'll tell you whenever your miles expire. And now kind of the drawback of this tool, or what I think turns off a lot of people, is that they require a lot of information from you. You need to log into your accounts via the website, and it asks for permission to scan your inbox so that way it can get those different points balances and the changes in those. And now whenever you do give these permissions, it does also have another tool where it'll keep track of your itineraries for you as far as when your flights are, your confirmation numbers, hotel stays, and all that. It'll send you reminders when you're ready to check in and any changes in those itineraries as well. So it requires a lot of information from you, but it will give you a lot of information in return. And so if privacy concerns really give you the ick, this might not be the tool for you. Otherwise, it could be really helpful. It's got plenty of other niche tools as well, but those are the two main functions that I think might be the most useful to you. Now, in terms of which tools I like to use in order to redeem flights, there's really 3 of them I find myself using over and over again. I have a free downloadable that goes into detail on these tools and some other ones down in the description for you, so be sure to check that out. But the 3 tools that I like to use is flightconnections.com. This one doesn't really help you find award flights specifically, but it gives you context. You're able to put in a destination and figure out which routes fly directly to that destination and which airlines fly there. So that way you have a better idea as far as which partner airlines you should be looking at for award availability. And in order to do that, I like to use Seats.Aero, but they're really only good if you have a direct flight available and if it's on one of the routes that they actually track, because they don't follow just kind of any route out there. Particularly if there's any connecting flights, it's really kind of 50-50, if that, as far as whether they'll track that and find that availability for you. And so I find myself using the third tool, pointsy.com, pretty often for all of my regular searches. I have the premium version, so I'm able to search 8 days at a time and with a couple extra airports compared to the free version. However, it is free to use completely. So this helps me find award flights on specific dates and to all kinds of destinations on a lot of different award programs. And so like I said, I'll have links to those 3 tools, all the tools that I've talked about in this video, and that free downloadable for you down in the description. So be sure to check that out. Using those links really help out the channel. And if you want to learn more about award search tools in general, check out this playlist here. My name is Mike with Nurse Michael Travels, and I'll see you in the next one.